In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature in Pipedrive CRM. By the end, you'll have a professional signature that automatically appears in your outbound emails, helping you look polished and consistent every time you hit send. First, sign into your Pipedrive account using your preferred browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This opens a quick menu where you manage your personal settings and account-related options. From that menu, select Personal Preferences. This takes you into the area where you can customize how Pipedrive works for you, including email-related settings. Next, find and click Email Sync. This is where Pipedrive connects with your email so you can send and receive messages from within the CRM. If you already have your email connected, you'll see the account listed here. If not, make sure your account is set up before proceeding so your signature can be applied correctly. Within Email Sync, look for the option labeled Add Signature and click it. This opens the signature editor. Here's where you type your email signature and format it to match your brand. An email signature is the block of text automatically added to the bottom of your emails. Think of it as your digital business card. It tells recipients who you are and how to reach you, and can reinforce your brand identity. Keep your signature clear and compact. A typical structure includes your full name, job title, company name, and essential contact details. You can add links to your website or professional profiles, and include a simple sign-off like "Best regards." Use the editor's formatting tools to add line breaks, adjust font size, and insert hyperlinks so your website and social profiles are clickable. Keep graphics minimal for deliverability and readability, and make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile by keeping lines short and text legible. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. To confirm it's working, go to your Mail section in Pipedrive and compose a new message. Your signature should appear automatically at the bottom of the email body. If it doesn't show up right away, give the page a quick refresh and try composing again. Read through the signature to ensure names, titles, and links are accurate, and that the spacing looks consistent. That's it. You've set up your email signature in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.